Hello everyone, I'm Cătălin and today we'll install file service and DFS namespace on Windows Server 2019. In this moment we have two servers. The first server is a domain controller. It's a Windows Server 2019 core. The second server is a Windows Server 2019 and will be a file server. We have also a Windows 10 computer and we will map a network drive. We'll map the namespace from the file server. Okay, let's start. We'll log in to the server-fs1, which is a Windows Server 2019. We will open the server manager. We will add a role and feature. We will select the server. And here in the file and storage services, we will choose file server and DFS namespace. Add this feature, the DFS management tools. Click next, next and install. The installation was finished. We will close this window. And I want to create first a second partition. I will go to Tools, Computer Management. I will go to Disk Management and I have assigned a new disk. I will click Online and I will create the second partition. I will assign a letter. I will rename the volume label Data, perform a quick format, next and finish. Okay, I will close this, open a file explorer. I will go to the E drive that I created and I will create a new folder. User data. Here inside of this folder I will create some new folders. For example, user 1, user 2, a public folder, and so on. It's enough. I will close this. Now I need to configure the namespace. I will go to Tools, DFS Management, and here on the namespace I will right click, New Namespace. I will select my server. We can see our servers, DC1 and FS1. I will select FS1. Okay, next. I need to write a name. And I will click Edit Settings. Here I will choose the location of my folder. I click OK. I will leave all users to have only read access permission. OK. Next. Here I will leave domain-based namespace. Next and create. We have the first namespace. Success. I will log in into my Windows 10 computer. Let's ping FS1. Yes, we have a connectivity. And from here, I will open Control Panel. And I will go to Administrative Tools. On this Windows 10 I have installed Remote Server Administration Tools and I will open Group Policy Management. This is my domain, learn-microsoft.com, and I have the first default domain policy, which I don't want to modify. I will leave it like this, and I will create a okay, I don't have options, all are gray, because I'm not logged in with an administrator user. You can see I'm logged in with user 1, which is a domain, a normal domain user. This why I will right click on the group policy and run as administrator. Okay, this is my domain, and I will right click, create a group policy in this domain and link it here. I will name it Drive X. Okay, I will edit, and here I will go to user configuration, preferences, Windows settings, drive maps, and I will create a new map drive. Action, create, location. This is the namespace that we have created before. Learn-microsoft.com user data. Learn-microsoft.com user data. And use a letter X. Apply. Okay. Now we'll open a Windows Explorer, and you can see this is an old map. Okay. We'll run gp update /force. We will refresh the group policy. And voila, we have X, and we have the public folder, user 1 folder, user 2. If we want to edit the settings, for these folders, we will go back to our Windows server, and we can edit the security. We can edit from here. We will remove the users. Okay, you need to go first to advanced and disable the inheritance. Apply. Then you can remove the users, and for example you can add user 1 or user 2, because this is a user 2 folder. Modify access. You can add also a domain group. For example, domain admins, which will have full access. Apply. Okay. And we go back to our Windows 10, and we don't have access anymore to folder user 2. Okay, thank you for watching.